you say na shower cubicle.
Yes.
Now we can check. Yeah. And I be this one.
Yes. Now yeah, now.
Pretty footing when they here.
Yes. Now we going on.
Okay, so make you explain to us what's in the inside yoga.
So yeah, now we have 10 mm tempered inch shower glass cubicle.
Okay. As
you can see here, na stamped tempered glass. Now you can do here. Now inch, maybe say you go feel open, come outside. If space no the outside, you go take open and go outside. If you open and go inside.
Okay.
Any choice. So the rest as well say this glass na tempered and we don't braze am for here. Even the one we carry the glass for here, we don't braze am and we don't hang am for here so that it go dey very very solid. Na why you can see am wey no dey shake, wey dey very very solid. So and e come with direct hinges from factory and stainless handle. As you can see am, na why e dey shine like that. My name na Bello Ayobami.
So make you tell our viewers wetin you dey into.
I dey do aluminium windows and doors, everything aluminium work na I dey do, and I dey do handrails too, glass handrail and stainless handrail. Also I dey do glass door, shower cubicle and shower glass.
Okay, so this particular site wey we dey so na which work you say make we come check?
And a shower cubicle na you come do for here.
Shower cubicle.
Yeah.
So wetin we help tell our viewers, or these are platform where they patronize you and the particular person wey give you this work.
So all the people wey dey watch our platform, wey dey give us work, and people wey never give us, wey dey wish to give us, we say God will continue to bless you. And to this my oga we get this particular work wey we can't do, may God continue to bless you.
So our viewers all over the world, we join our brother say thank you for the patronage and the trust when I get on the platform. So oga, you say na shower cubicle.
Yes.
Now we can check. Yeah. And I be this one.
Yes. Now yeah, now.
Pretty footing when they here.
Yes. Now we going on.
Okay, so make you explain to us what's in the inside yoga.
So yeah, now we have 10 mm tempered inch shower glass cubicle.
Okay. As
you can see here, na stamped tempered glass. Now you can do here. Na inch, maybe say you go feel open, come outside. If space no the outside, you go take open and go outside. If you open and go inside.
Okay.
Any choice. So the rest as well say this glass na tempered and we don't braze am for here. Even the one we carry the glass for here, we don't braze am and we don't hang am for here so that it go dey very very solid. Na why you can see am wey no dey shake, wey dey very very solid. So and e come with direct hinges from factory and stainless handle. As you can see am, na why e dey shine like that.
Okay, so oga, this stainless when you use so now oga say you need that like this?
Yes, because everything wey dey the toilet, the accessory wey dem wan use na silver, so na everything wey go match na him we dey put for here.
Okay, so everything wey dey inside na silver. Yes. And they say make you use silver handle and accessories also.
Yes.
Okay, so oga, this particular glass when we dey talk about, you say na 10 mm tamper glass.
Yes.
Wetin be the advantage of this tamper glass when we dey talk about?
Yeah, the advantage of tamper be say as e don temper am now, e go make am very strong well well. Wey be say no be say something small just hit am like this, e don break. No, say e wan break like this, na something wey go heavy na im go
fit break am.
Na im go fit break am, and apart from that, e make am safe for use like this. Because if normal glass break now and e come hit person, the injury go be very something wey go serious. But as e dey now wey you don tamper am now, if e go break, everything go just shatter.
Okay, go just come down once.
Just come down once. Let me say e go hit person, e go say the injury deep. No, so na why we dey tamper it.
Okay, so this particular one na wetin be the size of this cubicle wey dey here?
This one wey dey here na 4 feet by 4 feet.
Okay, 4 feet by 4 feet. Yes. And the height?
The height na 7 feet.
7 feet.
Yes.
Okay, so that make our viewers make that they know wetin we dey show them. So oga, you fit tell our viewers how much this particular one dey cost?
This particular one na 370,000.
370,000.
Yes.
Okay. So that one see the one you want to show us?
Yes, we get another one. We see the.
Make you take us there. Make our viewers make that they see them. Okay. Now the place with this one, huh?
Yeah, so we have another one here. This one is bigger than the other one we just shared.
Okay, this one did bigger.
Yes, this one is 4 feet by 5 feet. As you can see,
Okay.
The other side is bigger than the one we just shared that time.
This side now
Yes.
4 feet, while
Yes.
this other side
Now 5 feet.
now 5 feet.
Yes.
And the height
The height and normal are the same height.
I see the
The
same
other
height,
one,
7
feet height.
Okay.
Yes.
So now how much this one they go for, guys?
This one are 380,000.
380,000. Okay, now the silver.
Yes,
When you
and
did
silver,
the bedroom,
yes.
now we dey talk about
Yes.
with that.
Yes, and this is the towel hanger, the stainless handle. So you can open am, come outside.
Oh, this one too now.
Yes, na both side. Or make
Both
you
side
open
also.
am go inside. So anywhere where you wish, you go open am go. I go lock am like this. You just stand like that.
Okay.
So this one wey dey on top na the bracing wey go hold this one. Very solid. Na him hold this one together with the other one wey dey there. So na him make am very strong and solid like
So
this.
this particular one like this, is it get any way, anyhow when the owner will take the user?
Anyhow wey you see dey like dey use am, just make sure say if you dey use am, dey just dey clean am. That's all.
Okay, as the user make it the
Just dey
cleaner.
clean
And
am,
make something
just
wey
dey
heavy,
glass.
no knock am.
Make something wey heavy make you no knack am.
Okay.
That's
So make we dey check the other ones they go. Okay. Now
So,
the
and the last
other
one
one,
is
maybe this
yes,
one.
and be this. This one 7 and 4 feet and 5 feet here.
okay, this one too now 4 feet by
Yeah.
5 feet.
Yes.
And the height now
And
7.
7 feet.
Okay. So this one too now how much you say they go for?
380,000.
380,000. So this one the second one we'll check now the same amount.
Yes, and the same amount and the same size.
And the same size. Okay. So Oga, make you face here, make our viewers to see your face. We don't see the work what you do for this our viewer and get the belief say na the best now you offer.
Yes.
So Oga, this particular work, if you tell our viewers how much it cost.
Yes, both everything, the transportation from Lagos, because we produce am from Lagos come here, and the installation everything is 1.6.
1.6 million.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So Oga, what of in a situation whereby the person tell you say now you go use your own money carry and come. So how much bought for the installation?
Na just installation, one and 30,000 for installation.
For installation.
Yes.
Okay. So make you give us your number in case our viewers they want to show.
My number na 08032349819.
Again.
08032349819.
Okay. So our viewers all over the world, we thank you now for the time when until they watch our video. So guys, for our viewers need you, may you come work for other part of the country, especially the west when we do so. Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, Lagos. Or your own day so and Kwara, you feel good to go work?
Are they available?
Okay. So we thank you now for the time when until they watch this our video. We say God bless you all.